Hi guys, and welcome to October. That's right, I know it's already the 11th and I have been MIA. My deepest apologies. That happens from time to time. But what do I have for you today in the world of unboxing? I got this funky shaped box. I'm just going to let you know this is the BOXY Over 50. It's from that profile. I signed up for premium and to get Luxe. I wasn't sure about the Luxe, but I said, you know what, if it happens, it happens. If it doesn't, it wasn't meant to be. It happened. And for some reason, all of a sudden, I see a charge to my account at the end of last month, and then this thing shows up. So I didn't get to make any choices. I didn't get to pick anything that was in this box, because you get, what is it, you get three choices for the BOXY LUXE. I got none. Okay, so this one I do know now when I opened it why this box is shaped the way it is. It is black inside. It does say Luxe. It is a quarterly box. Now, I will let you know that the prices for the BOXY Premium and the BOXY LUXE did go up. The prices will be on the screen to let you know. I'll also have the old price and what it increased up to. I do know that there are a lot of people threatening to cancel. There are a lot of people that state that they have canceled. I don't know whether or not they'll rethink it and reactivate their accounts. That's between them and BOXY. And it's also between you and your wallet. This is the card that you do get inside. This one just says Fall Luxe on it. It was real pretty. It wasn't like the other one that was back to school. On the back, you have a list of all of your items that are inside your box, as well as a description of each item and the retail price. My variation number is 406, and my total for this box came out to $370. Let's get into this box. Wait till you see what came in this one. Now, mind you, again, I didn't pick anything. I didn't think that I even signed up in time to make it in this round, but I did. A couple of the items that came in the other BOXY, in my other BOXY LUXE, that is for the Lady Lori profile, I started looking at other people opening their Luxes, and I was like, oh my God, I really wish I would have got that instead. But they weren't items, I don't remember if they were items that you could pick. So again, this one they picked and gave for me. This is the Blot and Glow Touch-Up Kit, Translucent by Rare Beauty. This I wanted really bad, really bad. This comes in at $26. It's not that expensive. I thought to myself, you know what, if I don't get it, if I don't get the Luxe box, and then for some reason they don't give me this little blotting, you know, the Blot and Glow Touch-Up Kit. And then somebody, because I made a comment on Yari G's, her unboxing video. And then somebody had the nerve to respond to me and ask me why I would even want something like this. Like it's anybody's business why I would want, you know, a balloon. Why do you want a balloon? Because I do. You know, I'm at the circus. I want cotton candy. Are you going to complain about that too? You know what I mean? I was like, why do you care what I want? You know what they told me to do? Go to the Dollar Tree. Anyway, this is it. Beautiful case. The finish on this is beautiful with the gold lettering. Has a real soft opening. It does have a mirror. That is it inside. This side, there's your blotting papers. This right here, wait till I tell you what that is. Some people thought it was just, you know, no. Listen. A refillable 2-in-1 compact with blotting papers and a radiant powder-filled puff. This has powder in it, this little puff. Isn't that cool? And it just sits right inside that little compact. It says for refreshing or for freshening up on the go. Cut, shine, not glow with these refillable, mess-free, stress-free essentials. Absorbent blotting sheets, so you get 100 count. gently lift away excess oil while keeping makeup in place. Universal pre-filled powder puff contains a radiant talc-free powder for extra shine control with a soft blurring effect that never looks flat and won't flash back. You know, for somebody to say something to the effect of, why would you want that? Why did you want that? And then tell me the reasons why I shouldn't have wanted it. That's okay. Okay, and then by Nuco, this is immunity. This is defense drops. This is the herbal supplement. A lot of people were mentioning with regards to receiving something like this in their box as to why BOXY would put herbal supplements in a beauty box. And I wasn't quite sure either until I realized when someone said herbal supplements. Okay, this was me during my unboxing. On my other profile, I'm all, oh yeah, look what we got. It's in the little brown bottle, really cute. Told you how much it cost, and I just went on to the next item. This is like to avoid, or if you're feeling sick or you feel a cold coming on, put a couple of drops on your tongue. I had no idea. I thought this was oil for your face. Okay, the bamboo body polish. I do have. Oh, I think I put it already in the. It's already in the shower. I haven't used it yet, but it is in the shower. I'll let you guys know what I think about it, okay? Where is the bamboo? This is the Lifestyle Co. Bamboo Body Polish. This polish has sustainable bamboo stem extract to achieve gentle physical exfoliation for your self-care needs. It retails for $49, and I'm telling you, it's in the shower. I haven't used it yet, but I'm prepared just in case. Maybe my next shower I'll get it done. It smells like milk and coconut. I don't necessarily know what the smell of bamboo is, but what else we got in here? Okay, we got something small by Iconic London. This is the triple threat mascara. In what color do we have in this one? The Iconic London. Probably going to be black. They usually are. Black. It's the Iconic London Triple Threat. $26. Oh, you know what? I probably shouldn't be just... If we've already seen these, then, you know, we'll just move on to the next one. And then we're going to wait for that one. This is the Grace and Stella Hot and Cold Gel Bead Eye Mask. This one comes in at $18. This one I did not get. This is for this box only. I like how on the inside of the lid it says good choices or good choice. It's really pretty, really pretty. This is the part that goes up against your skin, your eyes, very soft. And then you have like those water beads. You see those? You can see them kind of go down. They're like water beads. And you must be able to, so it's hot and cold. I have one of these similar. It's a similar one I keep in the freezer. You can put it in the microwave as well. The microwave safe beads can be heated up or cooled down in the refrigerator. When the mask is cool, it can help with tired, puffy eyes and wake you up when you need it. When it's warm, it aids to getting a relaxing night's sleep, as well as reducing congested sinuses. Oh, and increasing blood flow to your eye area. This super soft plush backing makes it super comfortable. This is, and then it has a Velcro, which I appreciate very much with my other one, my hot and cold one that's always in the freezer. I like it because it doesn't have those metal, you know, the metal one where I prefer this adjusted headband. Much better. Hang on a second here. Okay, so this is the Saturday Skin. This is the Pretty Pop Probiotic Power Whipped Cream. This one comes in at $57, folks. And I have it right here. So this one was on my vanity, so I'm not going to open it again. But this is the one that looks like meringue, the top of a lemon meringue pie. Okay. $57. Wow. A couple more items we got in here. All right, and then this is the volume 1 by CAB. It is the contour palette. Yes, we all know it's a contour palette because it says contour on it. Hold on a sec, because this is my other one right here. Now this is the volume 1. I ordered for pop-ups the volume 2. So this palette is, you remember me talking to you about having a lot of fun with that. So I'm probably more than likely 99% sure this is going to go in a giveaway. I do not need 2 volume 1s. And then last but not least, yes, I did get the flat iron by Adagio, California. Not so mini ceramic flat iron designed with love in California. I don't know if there were any different colors to this. This comes in at $99. This is a BOXY exclusive. Did we have any other BOXY exclusives but that one? That was the only one that was a BOXY exclusive. I didn't see too many people get this one because I think if you do straighten your hair, you're very particular about the type of flat iron you use. Of course, for $55, divide it by what? Divide it by 8, and that's basically how much you paid for each of these items. We're getting there. You know, I'm going to leave this like this because I can't see me. I really cannot see me using this. I'm trying to get my curl back, but they do have a little styrofoam in between it, and it looks like it has a really long cord to it, you know, for $99. All right, it says the flat iron features 100% ceramic plates that radiate far infrared heat, helping to minimize damage to the hair. The unique floating plates design allows you to smoothly straighten and style hair, resulting in shiny, silky, no frizz, manageable hair with unlimited styling potential. 99 bucks, BOXY exclusive. And as I mentioned, I don't know, people are very particular. They're very, you know, kind of, they want to pick out their flat irons themselves. They have a specific brand that they'll buy from, ones that they know have, you know, been good to them over the years, that last a long, long time. I've never heard of this company, so I don't know anything about them with regards to reviews or anything like that, so I don't know. Don't have any information. But I'll talk to the girls in my family first. We all have curly hair. They should not be flattening their hair. If they've learned anything, they should learn from their Mima that flattening your hair and your curls gone. So anyway, that's everything, you guys. So for mine, I did get 8 items. For the most part, I usually get 7 in my BOXY Luxe, but I got 8 items. So does that seem like a little bit more than extra? I don't know. Maybe this was a box that they kind of had sitting on the back of the shelf. Anyway, I'm happy with it. If this had been my box, my Lady Lori box, I would have been extremely happy with it, except for the flat iron. And then obviously the contour palette by CAB, that's a duplicate. That's going in a giveaway. There was the Grayson Stella, the hot and cold face mask. This, not really sure why they're giving us herbal supplements. I really don't think that they should be in a beauty box, but maybe they're trying something out, watching our reactions and then going from there. Yeah, right. Okay, and then we have that bamboo body polish, the Saturday Skin. That was one of the expensive things right there, and I did get that one in the other one. There's the iconic London mascara. And then the one item that I wanted more than anything, which was the Rare Beauty, and this is the Blot and Glow kit, you know, the on the go. So I will have the total price for this box right up there in the corner. And there's everything in my BOXY LUXE for fall, October 2021. However, this is the September box, okay? This is not the October box, so that is a correction on my part. This is the September 2021 fall BOXY LUXE. My total for this box was $370. My, what was it again? Oh, my variation, 406. 406. All right, you guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Do me a favor, hit that thumbs up. You know the like button? That one down there. Hit that one. And the subscribe button. I'd appreciate it. Take care, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.